A very good morning to all my dear children. Today we are going to start with lesson number 9, collective nouns. Dear children, you remember about what are nouns? Right, they are naming words or names of people, place, animals or things. Let's start with what are collective nouns. Collective nouns refers to the groups. So collective means collection, maybe unit, groups. When we say collective noun, it would mean a name given to a group of people, animals or things of the same unit or the same kind. Let us look into some examples: family, crowd, bunch, loaf, herd, pack. Examples of collective nouns. Let us try to understand it with the help of some examples. A colony of ants, a litter of kittens, a swarm of bees, a school of fish, a crowd of people. Here, a colony of ants actually means a group of several or many ants. Remember we said collective nouns are a group of people, animals or things of the same unit or kind. A swarm of bees refers to a group of several bees. A litter of kittens here would mean a group of several cute kittens. A school of fish would not mean the school you go for studies, but a group of many fishes as one unit. A crowd of people would mean a group of many people. Let us try and look into some more examples. A family of 4 refers to 4 people. An army of soldiers would mean many soldiers. A fleet of aeroplanes refers to several aeroplanes. A bouquet of flowers would mean group of many flowers brought together. Let's understand with some sentences. A pride of lions is sitting under a tree. It means that many lions are sitting in a group under a tree. A flock of geese flies north every summer. So here we are talking about many geese flying to the north. A litter of kittens were born in the park. Means we are talking about more than one kitten. A bunch of grapes was given to me when I was in hospital. So I was not given one piece of grape but was given many grapes altogether. So let's move on to our textual exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Take words from those given below. So you have been given certain words which you have to fill in the blanks that have been given. This exercise you have to write in the textbook. A dash of fish. You can see how many fishes are there in that picture. So it will be a shoal of fish. A dash of stars. You can see so many stars are there. So a group of stars would be called a cluster of stars. A dash of wolves. Here you can see there are many wolves. We are not talking about one wolf. So a pack of wolves. A fleet of cars. Here we are talking about many cars all together. A dash of bees. You can see how many bees are there. So it will be a swarm of bees. A dash of sticks. We usually are talking about a group of sticks brought together. What do we call it? A bundle of sticks. A dash of grapes. We are always interested in eating more than one grape, isn't it? Because we like them very much. So it will be a bunch of grapes. A dash of flowers. When we talk about one flower, it will be a flower. But when we talk about a group of flowers, it would be bouquet. A bouquet of flowers. Let us do exercise C. The words in column A are collective nouns. They stand for collections of persons, animals or things given in column B. Here we are doing the exercise where we will be matching A with B. The two columns I have given the answers, so you can just write them down in your textbook. Fleet of ships. Yes, so answer is D, ships. Band of musicians. You can see the picture. There are so many musicians all together, so it will be H, musicians. Army of soldiers, so it will be J. You can see many soldiers are there. Herd of cattle. You can see how many cows are there, so it will be the herd. It is called a herd of cattle, so it will be I. Pack of cards. Here it is G, cards. A choir of singers. When many singers come together, it will be called a choir. CHOIR. So it is A, singers. Brood of chickens. Many chickens coming together, it will be brood of chickens. It is B, chickens. Litter of puppies. So cute puppies are there. Yes. So it is litter of E, puppies. Troop of dancers. You can see how many dancers are there. So it will be a troop of dancers, which is C. And packet of biscuits. We love biscuits, isn't it? Let's move on to exercise E. Exercise D, sorry. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. We could see dash of sheep coming down the hill. What did we do in exercise C? Herd of cattle, herd of sheep. So here you will fill in herd. A dash of thieves is active in the city. A pack of thieves. A dash of bees flew out of the hive. Didn't you see this previously in the exercise? A swarm of bees. A strong dash of soldiers was sent to the front. What was sent? A strong army of soldiers. The police ordered the dash to leave the place immediately. When many people come together, they form a mob. A bunch of keys was lying under the pillow. We usually have a group of keys together called the bunch. There are some rare stamps in my stamp. When you collect stamps and you put them in a book, that book is called an album. So, in my stamp album, we booked a dash of rooms in a 5-star hotel. You call it a suite. SUITE, suite of rooms. There is a beautiful dash of pearls lying in the showcase. Beautiful string. When all the pearls are put together in a thread, it would be called a string of pearls. A dash of steps led to the main hall. Here, when you talk about all the steps together, you are talking about the flight of steps. So children, with this we come to the end of this chapter. Do the exercise in your textbook. Try to understand it by going through the video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.